What up, Code Creators? This next t-shirt is inspired by the Monkey King, son of Wukong. If you know, you know. Take it to the heat press. Oh, look at my buddy. I miss you, Sage. Take it to the heat press. You have to get the what do they call this? I think it's called they just call it type A and type B, but it's called the marrying stage. Put the glue on the back of it. Hey Sage, get the wrinkles out the t-shirt, and you go ahead and you press it on the t-shirt. You already know it's a cold peel. Check it out.